Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a jiggle pour today. I'm going to give my turntable another go. Using all Arteza paints. And do remember that until December 10th, you can get a discount, 10% off, by using the coupon code Jeszeck1. It's down below. And it's both for the US and Europe. Free shipping, and you can even make payments. I'm going to be using my polycrylic mix, and before I get started, let me address a question I get asked a lot. If you still need to varnish because of the polycrylic, and the answer is yes. It dries smooth as silk. I just, feels so nice. This is video number 100 if you're interested. There's a little bit of a sheen, but it does require varnish if you want a glossy finish. I think the idea when it was developed is that maybe it wouldn't need it if it was built into the pouring medium, but it does, and but it does have the benefit of helping hold the lines, the separation of lines, and your composition. I think that's the key. So let me glove up and we'll get to work here. As I said, I'm using Arteza. All of them are straight from the tube with the exception of this one. This is Ultramarine Blue and black for a nice deep navy. Got silver, white, and Arctic blue. And then I am using a Deco Art product, Arteza Metallics in Pewter. I just love that color. I'll put the recipe and the ratios down below. Here we go. I've already placed them in the order I like. I kind of like light, dark, or dark, light, dark, light. I'm not going to say anything interesting while I'm doing this. So if you want to fast forward, you are more than welcome. If I could figure out how to speed up this portion, I would, but I haven't been able to do that without speeding up the whole thing, so you're stuck with it. Looks like I'll get about 4 layers in here. What am I on? 3, I think? I'm torn between doing a jiggle pour and a ring and ribbon. I love the ring and ribbon, but I do so many of them. I'm really enjoying the jiggle pour for a change. Okay. Well, it looks like I'll have some paint reserved in case I decide to do the ribbon thing. I'll have enough paint to add to the cup. All right, we'll call that good. Got a little of everything and some white. Alrighty now, I think yeah, I'm gonna do the jiggle thing. I'm gonna start from the side of the cup. I call that the back, where I run the colors down. This would be the front. From the side, where I've already got a nice separation of colors. And here we go. Kind of a combo of jiggle and straight. Wow, that pewter really has made its presence known. I like it, but I didn't want that much. That's fun. Oh my, I love that dark, dark blue. Ultramarine is a transparent color, but when you add the black to it, it becomes opaque. Okay. I'm going to hit it with the torch just to pop some bubbles. I I just made up this mix today. It's a little bubbly, but not too bad, and I don't really worry about it. Oh wow. I love this area right here. And that's fun, but I'll likely lose a lot of it. This I like a lot, so I'm going to move that. I'm going to start by pushing it this way. The very beginning, don't care for that so much, so I don't mind sacrificing some of that. But also I'm going to move my what you call it, spinner out of the way. I'm done with that. I'm not set up to really give it a spin, so I use it very timidly. All right. My husband is, I don't know what he's doing, something in the garage. You can probably hear that. Wow, there's some cells here. It's probably the pewter is creating its own cell action. Don't mind letting that go away, but this I want to bring back in. And I've got to move just to cover this little edge, and then I'm going to bring the whole painting back this way so I can maintain the dark contrast. Okay. I don't think I'm going to do much else to it. I rather like it. Wow, very interesting. I wish I had used more of the dark blue and less pewter. I'll have to remember that next time around. Or maybe it was a silver that's a bit heavy. I'm tempted to scrape what I have left and do another pour over. But what section? There's nothing I really dislike about this. I think I'll leave it. Maybe I'll do a little one with what I have left over and more dark blue. Okay, let me bring you in for a closer look at some of these areas. So many interesting effects. Oh, look at these funny little things there. Huh. I like 95% of this. And I won't tell you what parts I don't. And I'll let you be the judge. Okay, my friends. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.